Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a case for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. This case is made by Orzero. All right, new company, I haven't heard of them before. We're going to check it out. Okay, now you can get this case from Amazon. It's the Orzero brand. It's the armor case compatible with the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Soft TPU, full body, shock absorbing, anti-scratch, heavy duty protection. All right, this is the black version. I think they got two versions here. You got a blue version as well. I got the black one. $7.99. All right, not too bulky. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, here's the wrapper. Pretty simple, plastic, nothing much on there. Let's pull this out. I ripped that a little bit too hard. Went in the beast mode a little bit too hard there. Let's get this to the side. Okay, so this is the case. It's a soft TPU. It's got a nice soft feel inside. Almost feels like felt, but it's not. I'm not sure how they did that. Little pattern inside there, but it's pretty thin. Got some pattern on the back. It's kind of flashy looking. You got this little design right here, kind of carbon fiber like, and the buttons are open right there. Vibe up and down, power button. I don't see any branding on the side here. No branding on that side. Actually, I don't see any branding anywhere on the case. All right, but it's soft. It's TPU. Hopefully, this fits snug. Now the camera is raised up a little bit. It's got a little finish around the corner there, so that on the edges, so that might cover the camera. We'll see when you put it on there. Mic hole. Got your mic hole right there, charging port, speaker, and your S Pen. It's pretty big. All right, so let's go ahead and get the device and put it inside and see what it looks like. Okay, we got the Note 20 Ultra right here. Let's go ahead and put it inside the case. Hopefully this fits well. Okay, so it's pretty snug. Pretty snug case. And I was looking for an inexpensive TPU case. And this might do the trick. It's got a nice feel to it. It's got some grip, so it's not like slippery. It's matte, but it's got some grip to it. Now, the camera is covered. So you can see right there, it's raised up, so it's covered. You're gonna have protection there. All right, so don't worry about that. You got your mic hole lined up right there. That's no problem. And everything lined up on the bottom as well, okay? You can get to the S Pen, no problem there. And you got a little bit of a lip up top, not a whole lot, but you got a little bit of protection there. And the sides come up decent. You probably could use a screen protector with this if you want to. I don't use screen protectors, but you probably could. This is a nice slim TPU case, all right, to take on and off. You don't spend a lot of money. That's a good case, all right. Now, we're gonna check out the wireless charger on this to see what it looks like. Okay, so here's the wireless charger. Let's go ahead and put this on. All right, so it picks up wireless charge, no problem. Didn't think it would have a problem there. Pretty thin, so it works pretty well. Okay, so that was a quick look at the Orzero case for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. It's a soft TPU case. It's got some, the corners are bolstered a little bit, but it's pretty thin. It's nice and slim. Doesn't offer a lot of bulk, but you got some good protection. It's probably gonna give you scratch protection. Not much. You can't throw this across the room like that, all right? But I think it's a decent case for the price, all right? Now, if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.